A little gray cat sits at the door. It is 3 o'clock, and the cat is here again. It is not Nina's cat, but every afternoon at the same time, it comes to her tea shop. Whose cat is it? And where does it go after? Do you have a little animal friend who visits you? Tell me in the comments in English.
Hello again, little one. You are here at 3 o'clock like every day.
Nina looks at the cat. The cat looks at Nina. Then
You are cold. Wait there. I have something warm for you.
Nina goes inside her small tea shop. It is warm here. There is steam from the cups, and the sea is at the window. She gives the cat a little warm milk in a small bowl. The cat drinks it, and Nina smiles.
Good cat. Drink your milk. You are not alone now.
Nina wants to know one thing. Whose cat is this? She needs one good sentence today. Listen.
I think it belongs to someone.
I think it belongs to someone. We use belong to for the owner. The thing belongs to a person.
I think it belongs to a family. I think it belongs to a fisherman.
Good. I think it belongs to... You can put any person there. Here are some words for today. A cat is a small, soft animal. Milk is a white drink. The harbor is where the boats stay, by the sea. I think it belongs to someone. But the cat drinks the milk, and then it walks to the door. It looks at the sea again. Why? Every afternoon, the same thing happens. The cat comes at 3 o'clock. Nina gives it warm milk. And every day, when the milk is gone, the cat does the same thing. It walks to the door, and it looks at the far end of the harbor.
You always look that way. What is over there? There is only the old lighthouse.
At the far end of the harbor, there is a tall lighthouse. At night, a faint light comes from it. But in the day, it is quiet.
Whose cat are you? Where is your home? I think you belong to someone near the sea.
The cat does not answer, of course. It looks at Nina. Then it walks away, down to the harbor, and it is gone. So Nina knows the cat, but she does not know its home. She gives it milk, but she never follows it. Where does it go? She wants to know. Stay with us and find out with Nina. A calm, slow story like this is the best way to learn, so stay to the end. But one afternoon, 3 o'clock comes, and the door is empty. There is no cat.
Where are you, little one? It is past 3 o'clock. You always come.
Nina waits. The warm milk is ready, but the bowl is full. The cat does not come.
I am worried now. Are you cold? Are you alone? Are you lost?
Nina looks down the harbor at the old lighthouse. The faint light is not there today. That is strange.
Then, late, the cat comes back. But it is different now. It does not drink the milk. It pulls at Nina's sleeve and it walks to the door.
What is wrong? You do not want the milk? You want me to come with you?
The cat looks at Nina and then at the harbor. It wants Nina to follow. Will she follow the cat? Where does it want to go?
So, for the first time, Nina follows the cat. She closes her tea shop and she walks down to the harbor.
The cat walks in front. It stops, it looks back at Nina, and it walks on. Step by step, they go to the far end.
You are taking me to the lighthouse. So this is your home. I think you belong to someone here.
The cat walks to the lighthouse door. The door is open a little. Inside, it is dark and cold.
Hello? Is someone here? Are you okay?
Nina sees an old man on a chair. He is the lighthouse keeper. He is alone and he cannot get up. The cat sits by his feet.
Oh, hello. I am Mr. Bell. I keep the lighthouse. I fell this morning and I cannot stand up.
Do not worry, Mr. Bell. I am Nina. I have the tea shop. Your cat came to me, and it brought me here.
My cat? Yes, that is my cat. Every day it goes to the harbor and it comes back. Now I know where it goes. It goes to you.
Nina helps Mr. Bell up. She makes him warm tea. On the small table, there are 2 old cups, side by side. He was never really alone. The cat was always with him.
Thank you, Nina. I live alone here, and the days are long. But this little cat is clever. It found a kind person, and it brought you to me.
So this is the answer. The gray cat belongs to Mr. Bell, the lighthouse keeper. Every day it walked to Nina for warm milk. And today, when Mr. Bell needed help, it walked to Nina to bring her here. The cat was a little bridge between 2 kind people. Let us look back at our story. A little gray cat came to Nina every afternoon. Nina gave it warm milk. The cat always looked at the harbor. One day, it did not come. Then it came back, and it led Nina to the lighthouse. There, she found Mr. Bell, and the cat belonged to him. Now, say it with me. Cat. Lighthouse. I think it belongs to Mr. Bell.
Now, 3 small questions. Stop the video and answer in English. You can
1. Who comes to Nina every afternoon? 2. Where does the cat take Nina?
3. Do you have a little animal friend who visits you?
Now, the lighthouse light shines again at night. Nina visits Mr. Bell, and the cat sits by the fire. 2 lonely people are friends now because of one little cat. Did you feel that little spark? When you understand even one new thing in English, a small voice says, "What else can I learn?" That curiosity is the best teacher you have. Do not let it go to sleep tonight. If you want to follow it and learn a bit more English, the links in the description can take you further, one curious step at a time. A little practice, often, and tomorrow you understand a little more than today. Nina followed the cat, and she found a new friend. If a cat chose your door every day, would you follow it to see where it lives? Tell me below, in English. I read every comment. If you like calm, slow stories like this one, please subscribe. A new slow English story is coming soon. Tomorrow, Nina goes back to the lighthouse with fresh tea, and she meets someone new at the door. See you in the next story.